What's up, everyone? It's Jimmy. Tired of boring quinoa leftovers? Let's transform them into 4 mind-blowing dishes you'll crave. Smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome recipes. Let's get cooking! First up, let's kickstart your day with the ultimate quinoa breakfast bowl. This is going to be the breakfast of champions, people. We're going to need 1 cup of cooked quinoa. That's our base. Now, for the fun part, toppings. I love adding half a cup of mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, whatever you're feeling. Next, let's add a crunch factor with 1/4 cup of chopped walnuts. Pecans or almonds work great too. And to top it all off, a drizzle of honey. About a tablespoon should do the trick. Boom! It's like a party in your mouth. And the best part, it's healthy and gives you the energy you need to dominate the day. For Chapter 2, we're diving into a classic with a quinoa twist. Quinoa stuffed peppers. Grab 4 bell peppers, any color you like, and slice them in half lengthwise. Scoop out the seeds and membranes. Now, for the stuffing. In a bowl, mix 1 cup of cooked quinoa, half a pound of ground beef, or turkey if you prefer, half a cup of chopped onion, 1/4 cup of chopped bell pepper, and your favorite spices. I like to go with cumin, chili powder, and paprika. Spoon the mixture into the pepper halves, pop them in a baking dish, and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes, or until the peppers are tender. These are seriously good. Chapter 3. Feeling those summer vibes? Let's lighten things up with a refreshing quinoa salad. In a large bowl, combine 2 cups of cooked quinoa, 1 cup of chopped cucumber, 1 cup of cherry tomatoes, halved of course, half a cup of chopped red onion, and a handful of fresh parsley. Now for the dressing, we're keeping it simple but delicious. 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, salt and pepper to taste. Whisk it all together, pour it over the salad, and toss to combine. This salad is the definition of fresh and flavorful. Chapter 4. Get ready for the grand finale, folks. Quinoa veggie burgers that will change your life. In a large bowl, mash 1 cup of cooked quinoa with a fork. Add 1 can of black beans, drained and rinsed, half a cup of rolled oats, half a cup of chopped vegetables. I like carrots, zucchini, and mushrooms, and some spices to bring the flavor: garlic powder, onion powder, paprika. You know the drill. Mix it all up, form into patties. About 4 should do it, and then it's time to cook these babies. You can pan fry them over medium heat for about 5 minutes per side, or bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes, flipping halfway through. Slap those bad boys on a bun with your favorite toppings and prepare for a flavor explosion. Outro, there you have it. 4 incredible quinoa recipes that are anything but boring. I'm telling you, leftover quinoa will never be the same again. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you're as obsessed with quinoa as I am. Make sure you subscribe for more awesome recipes and be prepared to have your taste buds blown away. Peace.